Epione Pain Management Center. ఇక్కడ మీ నొప్పులు శాశ్వతం కావు.
You have started getting back pain and the back pain has started radiating to the legs, and over a time you realize that you're unable to hold your urine and your urine just pass off without your knowledge. This is urinary incontinence. This is a red flag. Now, what do you mean by red flag? Red flag is something that is a danger sign which your body will show. So you need to get yourself evaluated. This is because of a disc which is compressing your nerve, and now the bladder and bowel supply to the nerve, which is controlled by the spinal cord, is lost. We need to discuss this, my friends. I am your Dr.Minal Chandra, co-founder of Epione Pain Management Center. We all have heard about sciatica, where the disc comes out and it starts compressing your nerve. Till the time you don't have any red flags, you can be rest assured that nothing wrong is going to happen. But once you have started to lose the control over your urine, that is, the bladder control is lost or the bowel control is lost. And by this I mean that you don't realize that the urine have just passed off and you realize that your pants are wet. This is the time when you should see your doctor to identify yourself and the extent of the problem. The spinal cord, which is the major control of our body, is in the spinal cord. All the nerves which comes out, which branches from the spinal cord, also gives branches to your bladder and bowel. And when this disc is starting compressing these nerves, the bowel and the bladder control is lost, the urine and the motion will start coming out without your knowledge. Then you need to get yourself checked with a neurosurgeon so that they can do certain surgical interventions to get rid of your red flags.